Okay, this tutorial, we are going to look at floor plan. Now, the floor plan is this icon over here. There's two ways you can actually create a floor plan. The first way is, well, let's just click on it and I'll show you. Now, if you already have some floor plans, you can choose which one you want. Let's click new over here. Okay, so you can, a lot of times they will give you the floor plan and you'll spread it out on the table and then you just basically take a picture of it. I can't do it in this emulator, but I think it's pretty easy to do. You take a picture of it and then you can then give it a name. Okay, and then when you come back in here, you'll find it over here. The second way you can get a floor plan is if they already have a JPEG or PNG image for you. So they will probably give you an image, and then what you're going to do, you're going to go plug this Android application, or I'm sorry, your tablet into the computer, and you'll go to the Illusions folder, the name of your project, and you'll find the floor plan folder. Drag and drop that image which the person gave you into that folder, and then you're going to find it over here. Okay, and then it will automatically appear. So now in this situation though, there's something you need to do first. I would, before you drag and drop it into there, and I forgot to mention this to you, I would send that image to me. Okay, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut that image into a 16 by 9 aspect ratio, because probably the picture which he gives you or the image file is not going to be 16 by 9. So I will edit this file and then I will give it back to you. Then you can drag and drop it into that project folder. So here's one which I created right here. I know this doesn't look like a floor plan, but this is just a demo. So let's pretend it's a floor plan. And of course, these images are really huge. In the real app, it's not going to look like that. So let's delete them. Okay, we can delete stuff outright from here. There we go. So now, of course, you can put a gateway server on. You just click on that, and you can put the gateway server on there. Now, let's say you want to put an ELC on here, but you did not create an ELC yet. So you can create an ELC within the floor plan application by just clicking that. We're going to hit new. And look, the metering list screen pops up. So we can just create that. And once we've created it, all you got to do is click once where you want to place that ELC, and boom, it automatically placed it right over there. Same goes for temp sensors, assets, and of course, you can then create your SAM arrays out of there. Now, let's say you want to put some text on there. We could just do that too. We could just say hello. And what's really interesting is sometimes this stuff gets kind of jumbled up together. So we can say, I need this to be on the bottom right. So let's see what that does. If you put bottom right, okay, so now that of course is, let me go back in there. Again, this is just a tutorial. You could see it made this little black thing, and it did this right over here. Did you see that? Where in the real world picture, it's going to have that little label over there. Now let's say you need to zoom in. To zoom in, you double click. There you go. We double click. Now let's say you need to see what's on the other side. You see how I'm shifting back and forth like that? I can go up, I can go down, like that. Now, let's say we need to zoom out. Well, we need to zoom out. We hit the back button right over here. Also, we have the help feature, which is right over here. See that? We have also got help. Now, zooming in, zooming out can also be done right here. Left top, let's zoom in over there. Right top, let's zoom in over there. Save to file, I wouldn't mess with that right now. That's in case you need to. In fact, we'll probably make a separate tutorial on save to file. So anyways, let me back out over here. So, Darsha, do you have anything to add?
Yes, I just want to know, I would just want to tell everyone that this, the ELC, the temperature sensor, the asset name can all be created from within the floor plan. Uh, and at the same time, you can click on them, you can go into the new and create those. Or if you don't want to create, you can just add it and it will be right there. The other thing that I wanted to point out was that you can easily delete anything that you have added by mistake um, using the delete option. And also the zoom option is pretty limited in that sense that you don't have pin zoom features. This is done so that there are no crashes on the app. Um, that's it.
Yeah, and so pinch zoom has been substituted actually. If you double click in here, you just slide your finger to the left, slide your finger to the right. So by sliding your finger to the left and right, that's what substitutes it. All right, if that's it, I'll go ahead and end this session then.